Hello friends, last time we have discussed on methods of preparation of alcohols. Last time we have seen three methods from alkyl halide on hydrolysis, from alkane by hydration and from alkene by hydrobolation reactions. Now today we will see the next method for the preparation of alcohol, and that is by reduction of carbonyl compound, reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes can be easily reduced to primary alcohol, while ketones easily reduced to secondary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols cannot be obtained by using this method. The first example is a hydrogenation, which is carried out in presence of catalysts such as finely divided nickel, platinum or palladium. See the first example, CH3 C double bond OH, that is ethanol. When treated with hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel at about 413 Kelvin temperature, we get CH3CH2OH, that is ethanol, is a primary alcohol. Now the second example is propanone, that is the ketone, CH3 C double bond O CH3. When propanone is treated with hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel at about 413 Kelvin temperature, we get CH3CHOH CH3, propan 2-ol. That is the secondary alcohol, because alcoholic group, hydroxyl group, is attached to the secondary carbon atom. So that is the secondary alcohol. That means by reduction, aldehyde is reduced to primary alcohol and ketone reduced to secondary alcohol. Aldehydes and ketones may be reduced by active hydrogen supplied by sodium amalgam and water. When sodium amalgam NaHg is treated with water, we get an active hydrogen, or that is called as nascent hydrogen Hg, precipitate of Hg, mercury and NaOH. And this nascent hydrogen or active hydrogen is used for the reduction reactions. The first example, when aldehyde ethanol is treated with two nascent hydrogen, and this nascent hydrogen is produced from sodium amalgam and water. This is the condition on arrow. We get CH3CH2OH, ethanol, that is a primary alcohol again. Second, same reaction when ketone, propanone, is treated with two nascent hydrogen, which is obtained from NaHg and H2O, we get propan 2-ol, secondary alcohol. Reduction of carboxylic acid, the B part of the reaction is reduction of carboxylic acid. Acid are also reduced to alcohol by first converting it into the ester and then carrying catalytic hydrogenation of ester to give alcohol. See, RCOOH, general reaction, is a carboxylic acid when treated with ROH, R-OH. By removing water molecule, we get RC double bond OR, that is ester, and on catalytic hydrogenation by using Raney nickel and H2O, we get RCH2OH and R-OH. This R-OH is regenerated. Now the next reaction is by addition of Grignard reagents. In general reactions, aldehydes and ketone is represented by only C double bond O. When treated with Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, we get a complex RCOMgX. These two bonds are as it is. On acid hydrolysis of this complex, we get RCOH, that is alcohol, with MgXOH. Now see, by using this method, we can prepare all types of alcohols, primary, secondary and tertiary. See one by one. When methanol, HCH double bond O, that is methanol. When methanol is treated with CH3MgI, methyl magnesium iodide, in presence of dry ether, we get CH3CHHOMgI, that is the complex. On hydrolysis of this complex, we get CH3CH2OH, ethanol, and this is the primary alcohol. Now secondary alcohol is prepared by using aldehyde except methanol. By using aldehyde except methanol. In second example, ethanol is used. When ethanol CH3C double bond OH, ethanol is treated with CH3MgI, methyl magnesium iodide, in presence of dry ether, we get CH3CH3HOMgI, that is complex. On hydrolysis of this complex, by using acid water HOH, सिंपल H आणि OH ची ॲडिशन इथं करायची आहे. OH या बाजूला अटॅच करायचा, H इकडे अटॅच करायचा, म्हणजे काय प्रॉडक्ट येईल आपला CH3CH3OH, प्रोपॅन टू ऑल. बाय युजिंग aldehyde other than methanol, we get a secondary alcohol. Now the last example is from ketone. When ketone is treated with Grignard reagent, CH3C double bond O CH3 is treated with CH3MgI in presence of dry ether, we get this complex CH3CH3CH3COMgI. On acid hydrolysis, we get CH3CH3CH3COH, tertiary butyl alcohol, or we can say IUPAC name 2-methyl propan 2-ol. See, this hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. That means this is the tertiary alcohols. In this way, by using Grignard reagent from aldehydes and ketone, we can prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. By using methanol, we get primary alcohol. By using ethanol, we get secondary alcohol. By using ketone, we get tertiary alcohol. In this way, it is over all preparation methods of alcohol.